What's the meaning of commiseration? Commiseration. Commiseration.
Commiseration. Commiseration. Commiseration refers to the act of expressing sympathy or pity towards someone who is going through a difficult situation or experiencing pain or suffering. It is an expression of empathy and understanding towards someone's plight, and it can be a way to show support and offer comfort. By commiserating with someone, we recognize their suffering and acknowledge their emotions, which can be a powerful way to connect with others and build relationships. Ultimately, commiseration can help ease someone's pain and make them feel less alone in their struggles.